Hello and welcome back to Moto Stylish channel. The 2023 BMW F850GS trophy is more than just a new color. It is equipped for adventure right out of the factory and is robust, uncompromising, and ready for the most difficult challenges. With its diverse factory equipment and additional BMW Motorrad accessories, you can adapt this bike according to your needs. Take inspiration from BMW's two suggestions or configure your very own F850GS adventure. The GS Trophy Gravity Blue Metallic replaces Racing Blue Metallic and includes a Tour windshield, Enduro footrests, and navigation prep. The Style Triple Black with Black Storm Metallic 2 remains unchanged, as does Racing Red. RDC real-time gradient tire pressure monitoring has been added, and the comfort turn indicator can now be switched off in the menu for the instrument cluster. All US F850GS models automatically add a premium package which includes LED Headlight, Gear Shift Assist Pro, Ride Modes Pro, heated grips, luggage rack with case holders, keyless ride, TPM tire pressure monitor, MSR dynamic engine brake control, and dynamic ESA. Individual options include low suspension, center stand, M endurance chain, off-road tires, cruise control, comfort seat, and extra low seat. The F850GS Adventure Rally not only feels confident on asphalt but is also at home off-road. The off-road tires and Ride Modes Pro with dynamic ESA help with agility, while Shift Assistant Pro gives you control in unexpected situations. The adjustable foot brake lever and gear shift lever provide a secure grip, while headlight and engine guards provide outstanding protection even when the going gets tough. The optional off-road tires make full use of the bike's off-road potential, while dynamic ESA automatically adjusts the damping action of the suspension strut based on riding conditions. With pro riding modes, the throttle and control systems of the machine can be easily adapted to different road situations. The Pro Shift Assistant enables comfortable gear shifts without using the clutch, while the sturdy Enduro aluminum engine guard was specially constructed for off-road use and provides optimal protection for the lower section of the engine. The headlight guard has been approved for off-road use and effectively protects the headlight from damage in off-road conditions. Ergonomic adjustments include an adjustable foot brake lever with a wider pedal and patented flap mechanism, as well as an adjustable gear lever that offers even better operation, particularly when riding off-road in standing position. In terms of technical specifications for US models, it has a water-cooled 4-stroke inline 2-cylinder engine with 4 valves per cylinder and 2 overhead camshafts. It has a capacity of 853 cubic centimeters with a rated output of 90 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and a maximum torque of 63 lb-ft at 6,250 RPM. The maximum speed is 122 miles per hour. In summary, the 2023 BMW F850GS Trophy is an adventure bike that is ready to take on any challenge right out of the factory. With its diverse factory equipment and additional BMW Motorrad accessories, as well as its technical specifications and ergonomic adjustments, it is a bike that can be adapted to meet your needs, whether on or off-road. Well, that's a wrap for our review. Thanks for joining us today on Moto Stylish. And we'll see you next time for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest vehicles and trends in the world of motorcycles.